Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about the 3 things you can do as a people manager to manage your teams better, keep them happy and motivated. We'll talk about a 3 C's method and a few healthy tips that you can use to be a better manager. I'm Farhan, and in this channel I talk about effective management tips, work mantras, and even share some of my experiences gathered over the past decade. So if you're looking for ways to be better at work, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now back to the video. Managing teams can be tricky and it's often hard to keep everyone happy. But building a culture within the team can decisively help you set and manage expectations better. Now, I don't think there are any magic keys to do that, but here's a tool that will change the way your team functions. The 3 C's model is based on 3 key actions you can encourage your teams to take in order to be productive and a lot more efficient. The 3 C's are communicate, collaborate, and cultivate. But what are they and why are they so important? Communicating expectations, being transparent about your work status, asking for help when needed are so much more important than we think. Communication, being so powerful, unfortunately, is often taken for granted. We are so busy all the time, it's hard to pause and encourage your team to assess things like, is there someone who needs to know about what I am doing right now? Oh, I might not be able to meet this deadline. Should I keep my stakeholders informed? Oh man, I'm stuck on this thing for weeks. I need help, but also I don't want people to think I'm stupid. These are few things that you as a leader can help your team overcome and set the right expectation. It also allows you to see through opportunities where your team needs your support. Anyway, what are some of those things that you struggle with? Please let me know in the comments. This brings us to the second C. There is no I in the team, but there is a very important C. Collaborating refers to lending a helping hand and empowering the team to help each other. Brainstorming together, looking out for each other, and always interested in sharing their learning experiences to benefit one another. Encouraging collaboration can help your team get unstuck and get out of the mindset where they think they are alone in the team. Give your team the opportunity to interact with each other. Design tasks where they might need to use each other's skill set. With good communication, such collaboration can often bring out the best results. But talking about individual skill set, is it always healthy to rely on others for your work? This brings me to the last C. Encouraging your team to grow their skill set is more important than you think. You can help them identify areas where they can improve and what are the necessary skills they need to grow their career. Always remember, if your team members are not growing, your team will eventually not grow. And this is not great for a good leader. If your company supports online learning platforms, help them find some good courses. If not, there's tons of free online learning platforms that can help. Focusing on these 3 simple areas can help you make your team independent and a powerhouse of ideas. Always remember, a happy team is the biggest achievement of a good leader. Thanks for hearing me out. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more smart working tips. Until then, ciao. See you soon.